Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start packing up this house. So as I've mentioned a couple of times in the videos prior to this, we're gonna be moving in the next month or so. We're still looking for a house. We're kind of in the process of doing that right now, but we know that we have to be out of this house by the end of April, so I figured let's start packing up some rooms. So today we're gonna be focusing on what's it's technically like the front hall of the house, but my office is in it as well. So it's got all my computer stuff. It's got our front hall closet, which, you know, is a lot of coats and shoes and some other stuff that I probably have no idea. Figured it'd be a great place to start. You know, items that we don't really use often. That way, when it's crunch time and, you know, time to really pack and move, that'll all be done and it'll be one less thing to worry about. So that's what we're gonna do today. Got the box ready that I'm gonna use to pack up anything that we wanna keep. I'm also gonna grab a trash bag so that I can just immediately throw anything we don't wanna keep right in trash bags. Random bag with holiday lights in it? Who knows? Just wanted to show you guys what I kept in here for now. So there's a bunch of shoes here. I'm gonna get like a shoe box or something and put those all in one box. Same with all of these coats and jackets. Hats will probably go with the coats and jackets. Hopefully that bag of dog food will be done by the time we move so we can just toss it. But yeah, so that's basically this closet. I was able to finish up the bookcase, so it wasn't as bad as I thought because we decided we're actually gonna keep these in here when we move. So I'm gonna start using these as little storage boxes as well. All the books went in here and like extra little things. In here I put like the decor that we had out on the bookcase, and we'll probably use these empty shelves as well with maybe smaller boxes or whatnot. But that's basically the bookcase. I thought I was gonna start this today, but I realized I do not have any packing paper, and we have a lot of snow globes and like glasses and stuff, so I need to go out and get styrofoam and packing paper for that, but this will be pretty easy to do as well. I am gonna see what I can throw out on my desk And I know there's some books there, so I'm gonna put those away. And then once I finish my desk, that will basically be it for this room. Everything else I just need to get either more boxes or more packing paper for, but everything else should be pretty easy to just move when the time comes. I did get about a trash bag and a half of trash, so that's really good. Get rid of stuff and declutter. Okay, I had some shelves here on the wall. As you can see, it did rip up some of the wall. So we are gonna have to buy some spackle and paint and fix that up. So that is definitely gonna be a project for another day. While I was working upstairs, Brennan's been working on his computer room and his little office. So he's got all his electronics in there, a lot of trash, which is good. Decluttering as much as we can before we actually pack it up. We still need to get a bunch more boxes and crates and containers and whatnot for the little things, but right now we're just more focused on decluttering, throwing things out we don't need, and packing up whatever we know we're not going to use from now until when we actually move. So little by little, we'll get there. Okay, so that's all I'm really going to work on for today. Like I said, that closet's all going to probably go in one big box. I got rid of like 5 or 6 pairs of shoes that we don't wear, so that's in that bag. Trash days tomorrow, so I got a lot of trash already. This table's gonna be a mess for a while because I'm working on my puzzle. My little Pokemon puzzle. This is all done. We're probably gonna fill in those spaces with some more storage and boxes and whatnot, since that's gonna get put on the truck exactly the way it is. These boxes are full of books and magazines. Like I said, this glass case is going, but everything in it needs to be wrapped up, so I gotta go get some paper for that. My desk is pretty much all cleaned out. Anything that's here is stuff that I basically use, obviously. My desk itself, we're actually gonna toss. We're not gonna take that with us. And then it's just gonna be my chair and my computer stuff that's really coming with us. But yeah, that's basically this front hall. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today. So basically, I think little by little, we're just gonna pick a room at a time and start packing it up. I think next, other than taking care of the little shoes and like jackets and everything, I think the next room we're gonna work on is the kitchen. We're gonna do like the big appliances that we don't use right now, like KitchenAid and big pots and pans and whatnot. Get those all packed up. We already got rid of a lot of our cups and mugs and things like that. We are probably gonna toss most of our plates and just buy brand new ones once we do move into our new house. So we're gonna just, you know, try and get as much trash as possible out of here so we don't really have to worry about that when the time comes. I think this will be the best way to do it. Get rid of a lot of the trash, you know, have a lot of the boxes ready to go so that on moving day, it's just getting the furniture in the truck and then the boxes, and you know, it shouldn't be too bad. But anyway, that's gonna do it for today. I'll definitely be filming our moving process from start to finish, you know, from packing up this house to unpacking our new house. So if you like this kind of content, you wanna follow along with our journey, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next